So I'm looking for some things for my wild salad and dandelion leaves. Wild garlic. Let's go with my chicken breast. Okay guys, so this is just going to poach a couple of chicken breasts. Sweet. So these chicken breasts are almost done now. Oh nice, look at that. Not long. Okay guys, so this is my poached chicken with dandelion and wild garlic leaves. The zebra can on my campfire. Here we go guys, dinner time.